Is everyone in your house sick? Because, yeah, same here. We're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna try to fix that. So we're gonna make some tea. We're gonna start with some apples, some cinnamon, and red onion. Don't leave. I know what it sounds like, but you don't know what it tastes like. It's a Dominican immune boosting tea. It does not taste like red onion. Okay, you're gonna start with your apples. Don't peel them, don't core them. Super easy. Then your onion. Honestly, I don't even know why I did this because I usually put the whole thing in there anyway. The apples in, 2 apples, 1 onion. Cinnamon. These are the ones you want. You get them at the Spanish section of the store. I believe this is Mexican. I don't know.
Y'all gonna have to know.
You could stop there. 2 apples, 1 onion, cinnamon, done. Let that boil for a really long time till it no longer smells or tastes like onion, and then you will have all of the benefits. But I always like to add extras. Ginger, 3, 4, 5 cloves, rose hips, and elderberries. I'm just gonna look at that beauty. We are going to let her boil 20 minutes in. Beautiful. Honestly, you can go ahead and drink as is. I just prefer a much stronger flavor. 30 minutes in, it's darker than before. Pay attention to the color. Just peeled this apple for my son, and the core and the skins are going in.